I've got about a dozen of these lime sherbet popsicles. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of ginger ale. I don't know if you have a favorite ginger ale flavor or company. I like Verner's, but it's hard to find that out here in Vegas, so I'm just using the generic ginger ale from Walmart. And that's going to mix in with all those popsicles. This is such a great punch. I make this every time, every year. To that, we're going to be adding some of this green Hawaiian punch. Reminds me of, remember Ecto Cooler from the 80s when Ghostbusters first came out? This looks a lot like that, but we're adding this to the ginger ale and those lime popsicles. So good. And then for this Irish Leprechaun Punch, we're adding 2 bottles of lime beer. Because, you know, it's not St. Patrick's Day without beer. I'm gonna give this a good mix. Make sure that all those popsicles are in there. It's such a great way to make a punch without having to use ice, because ice will water this down. And look, all those popsicle sticks will come on out and they'll help you mix all of this together. To that, I've got these cut up rainbow sour candies. We're gonna be putting those in here as well, because rainbows are such good luck. Put all these right in here. Mix that in. Ooh, it's gonna add a little bit of extra sour flavor. And then I'm going to be adding a couple of these longer ones. Sweet and tangy, a little bit of lime flavor, and then that beer. This is gonna be such a great punch. Edible gold glitter. I'm gonna add just a whole bunch in there, just like that. And we're gonna mix this all together to make this gold and green sparkly Irish punch. That's gonna be such a huge hit. And our last ingredient are these little mini marshmallows, because we need to add some clouds for that gold to be at the end of that rainbow. It's a perfect Irish punch. Got that. Look, 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 it's like an Irish flag. It's orange, white, and green. Mix this together. Put a lid on this so I can get this ready for the party. I'm gonna lift this up and put it onto a stand. Got a glass, some marshmallow fluff. I'm gonna just rim the edge with the marshmallow fluff because, you know, clouds. Then once that's all on there, gold sprinkles. Just gonna tap that right in like that. Perfect. Give us a pour of our Leprechaun Punch with those sour rainbows and those marshmallow flavors and the ginger ale. We're gonna add a handful of marshmallows, a little bit more gold sprinkle, and a rainbow belt. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I hope you have an amazing St. Patrick's Day. I hope you make this punch. It's really good.